What's up, guys? So I just woke up, and it's comp day. So we're just gonna go eat breakfast now. I need to get ready first, like completely ready, and then we're gonna go eat breakfast, come up, relax for a little bit, because all the events that I'm not doing are in the morning. So, and then after about like 11-ish, then we'll go to the venue. I'm super excited. Today I'm doing 6x6 and 7x7, and my goals are to just get PBs in both. Alright, what's up, guys? I just got ready, got breakfast, and now we're going to the venue. Super excited. The god, Hitoki.
Hello.
Yeah, we're gonna surprise Asher with my face. Timmy and Asher.
What's up?
What's up, Timmy?
Did you put Hitoki in the vlog already?
Yeah, I did. Of course I did. Yeah.
Oh, I'm so sad.
Did it again. Yeah, we just met him in this other room. He's whatever he's doing. What's up, guys? I'm in the venue. I mean, not the venue, practice people.
Practice people.
Derp.
Oh, what's good?
And yeah, my event is in like 2 hours, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. What's up, guys? So I just finished dinner and showered and everything, so we're back in the hotel. And if you didn't know, in Australia it gets like really dark really fast. So right now it's only like 6:30 and it's so dark. But yeah, overall today was pretty good. 6x6 pretty junk, but 7x7 I'm really happy with. Sub 3 mean and 246 single. So now tomorrow I have 5x5 and 4x4, so I'm very excited. I've practiced a lot, and see you then.